This is the seasonal stock and ETF report for today, August 15th, 2022. Let's go to trade seasonals. I am logged in with a free account, so I am looking today opportunities for today, but I'm seeing all of them. I am on Wilshire right now, but let's quickly start with Dow 30. Top of the list still is Microsoft. Microsoft is one great stock. Let's take a look at the seasonal chart. This is the average of Microsoft performance in the last 10 years. Seasonal chart shows a chart 1 year long. Right now it's from 1st of June until end of May 31st. You can also look at it from beginning of the year by clicking this button. This is from first of the year to last of the year. What we're looking at on seasonal chart is basically just the trend. It averages the trend with normalized analytics. You can take a look at one of our videos to get more detail about how this is calculated, but take a look at this. Microsoft goes pretty much straight up. It has a very short period of sideways move here and a short period of sideways move there, but this is one heck of a bullish stock. It doesn't matter when you buy it, you're a winner. You had been a winner last 10 years. Microsoft 256 days is the #1 pick on our algorithmic selection today on Dow 30, with United Healthcare being second. United Healthcare is pretty much the same. It is just going straight up. The worst case scenario, it has a little bit of sideways, and that's last 10 years. You can also look at, we have United Healthcare 37 years. If you take a look at it, it's pretty much the same. Has a few periods of down, which is average last 30 years, but overall this stock goes up. This type of stock is what you're looking for longer term investments with very little down in average. Okay, let's look at Walmart. See, Walmart it's not quite as smooth as United Healthcare and Microsoft, but it's pretty good. Home Depot, straight up. This is another great long-term investment stock. J&J, pretty straight up. A very small period of sideways to down right here, which is this time of the year, basically from September until mid-October. It's sideways to down and then goes back up. Visa. Visa is pretty good investment too. That's why you're on the list. McDonald's is definitely not the same. McDonald's looks choppy. It is nothing like the rest of them. However, if you look at it, it is still a pretty good up move. A lot of sideways and downs, which we can take opportunity of. And then there's my favorite. Again, I'm gonna, I haven't done this, but I will have a blog about this. Why is this my favorite stock? The reason, again, is, take a look at here. First of the year until end of June, Procter & Gamble goes sideways. From beginning of July until end of the year, it goes straight up. This is the type of investment you want to time. It's better to hold Procter & Gamble here instead of there. This is wasting your money. That's why it's my favorite. Also take a look at 37 years we have. pretty much the same. The stock just ends up going up starting beginning of July and pretty sideways the rest of the year. Okay, let's look at the top of the list on NASDAQ is Costco. Another great investment. Look at this. It's just straight up. Paychecks. Another great stock. That's why it's on the list. This one's choppy. Fascinating. See? You can actually take opportunities of down opportunities. The best period is now for Fastnet. Even better is end of mid-October. Mid-October, I would say, to end of the year is the best period to hold this. Stock goes straight up. Excel Energy. It doesn't look fantastic, but take a look. Average profit's been 12% last 10 years for this period. 256 days. Not bad. NetEase. Pretty good stock. Look at this. There's a down period, but otherwise, besides a couple of pretty sharp downs, this one's straight up too. Monster Beverage. This is a short opportunity right here. Look at that. It just keeps going down this time of the year. Except for 2017. Keurig. Another good one. They've done well. Okay, let's go to S&P. Oh, here's another one of my favorite stocks. Nextra Energy. These people are in solar or wind. They're in renewable energy world. This stock is on fire all the time. Look at this high Sharp ratio for 233 days. Average profit 11.66. This is definitely a candidate for my long-term investments. Marsh & McLellan. Another straight up. Yeah, these top of the list of our algorithmic picks are typically really good stocks. We just find the best stocks, most consistent. Sharp ratio gives you it's a measure for consistency of profit returns, as long as it's above the interest rates, the 30-day bonds rates. Okay, let's go. Wilshire, anything different? No? Heights and Extra Energy are on the top of the list. We have AAON on. This does not look as rosy as the other stocks, but this time of the year, it goes up, especially from here. But this is right now a good time. Maybe even not yet, but sometime in September or beginning of October, even better. It's a $61 stock. And it is going up. It has been going up. QAD Inc. Very good Sharp ratio. We don't have data for this. let's just look at ETFs. Be done for today. Top of the list, S&P 500 technology. This one is straight up last 10 years. We have 23 years of it. It doesn't even have any weak periods. It's not as smooth as Microsoft, but it's pretty smooth. Semiconductor ETF, another straight up. Semiconductors should be on fire since government's going to spend tons of money bringing manufacturing back to US, so I see that a fundamental reason for to be bullish. High dividend yield Vanguard, another good one to hold long term. Alright, this is it for today. Sign up on Trade Seasonals and you will have access to every opportunity every single day.